Like right now, I get to give 100% to minute to deal or no deal. With teleserye, di ba grabe yung oras niyan? They work more than 24 hours. Na ang hirap na you go past 24 hours, tapos darating ka sa hosting, walang laman yung utak mo. So one will suffer. So ayoko umabot sa ganun.
Kumusta na kayo ni Jen?
Okay naman.
Ilang months na kayo for years?
We're past a year. Almost going on our second. Yes.
Ano bang plans niyo for that almost 2 years?
Medyo matagal-tagal pa naman, pero we're on the way there. We have to wait and see that she's starting a few new shows also. So baga, I would rather celebrate muna her FHM cover.
Ano reaction niyo doon na?
I posted something on Instagram.
Pinayagan mo yan?
Oo naman. Sabi ko, if you have a girlfriend as beautiful as Jen, bakit di mo papayagan mag-post ng gano'n? Diba? And may mga nabasa ako na I initially told her not to do it. I'm very, very proud of my girlfriend, and then I'll have her post over and over again.
Okay. So, una ayaw mo?
Hindi talaga. Sabi ko, I'll never stop her from posting for FHM.
Anong reaction mo?
Dumalaw pa ako ng shoot dahil they did it in Batangas, and I was there scuba diving.
Okay.
So between dives, dadaan pa ako sa kanila at see her getting made up. And then sabi ko sa kanila na I wasn't lying, I wasn't making lambing, but she was looking stunning that day.
Nakita sa iyo yung rough.
Yes. Sabi ko, ang seryoso. Sabi ko, when she showed me the initial pictures, sabi ko, gusto ko i-post. Yun ako ka-proud. Gusto kong pangunahan pa yung magazine.
Okay.
Pero may napag-usapan ba kayong limitations? Pagdating doon sa pagpapasexy niya na
No, ang pinag-usapan namin limitation is if ako ang mag-post sa FHM, kaya ko ipakita ang kanang dibdib lang. Pag ako. Kasi yung kaliwa, ititira ko naman sa sarili ko. Tama na yung pagpapalaki sa akin. So, my right nipple, I'll show it to the public. My left, parang may hint of mystery pa rin. But this is me, not in totality. Diba? That's how I want to do it. No,
sa kanya wala naman.
No, I think Jen has her own limitations. Kumbaga, I don't need to be that echo telling her what to do and what not to do. Siya may sarili siyang desisyon kung anong gusto niyang gawin, and she believes na if this is a beautiful peg, then she do it. If she feels uncomfortable, she's not gonna do it.
Very proud of that project.
Yes.
Nakita mo maganda talaga yung katawan.
Ba ako magmahal?
Secret na ba siya yung katawan niya?
Napakasipag mag-workout ng tao yun. She really finds ways and times to work out. For example, if she has a late call time, mag-workout yun. If automatic mag-free up yung day niya, there has to be a workout in it.
Right.
So, discipline.
Na-interview namin ito boy lang sa Paolo Roldan.
Okay.
For Ben siya. Kasi nag-post siya ng nude for Vogue Paris for
Okay.
Watch. Would you post for nude?
Ako siguro, I wouldn't mind. Diba? I mean, I'd work for it. If I pose right now, walang bibenta, kahit isa, susunugin lang yan. So siguro, I'm sure he worked his body na enough for that and his appeal. But I'd be really curious kung sinong magazine ang kukuha sa akin sa itsura kong to. Diyos ko. Cosmo, I did that for Cosmo, na pinto lang ang humarang sa akin. It was funny when I did Cosmo. It was funny when I did Cosmo, the very first one. It was only a door covering Junjun. So we did it in the garden, and there was a house right behind a set. So could you imagine if someone woke up, opened the window, first thing they see is my butt.